Welcome everyone to week 9. Couple of different things due tonight. We have the E&M assignment and the graded discussion, and I can say just reading through the discussion, I've been kind of adding some links in there. Everybody's doing an excellent job. I really enjoyed reading these. Coming up with different perspectives from the students has been great. So, what's coming up? We have surgical coding, CPT. So, we have that due next week. And then we get into the case study, which is going to be, we're going to get into physician queries. So, with a lot of this, just a little note on E&M coding. With that, I know everybody, hopefully, you're enjoying the audits, but keep in mind that January 1st, all of the auditing is changing. No longer will it be history, examination. It's going to be purely based on medical decision making and time component. So, my advice for some of you, pursuing some CPT, get in there to the American Medical Association. They're called, I think, Web ED. You can get in there and review. They have some different scenarios about the new E&M taking place in January. So, it's going to be learning for me. I'm trying to get into webinars, just picking my brain, going as far as I can go to learn about the new E&M coming out. So hopefully everybody's having a great day. As you all know, I am based in Iowa, and it is October 19th. And yes, we have snow today, so that's a real bummer. A little bit too early in the season for me. But as always, please contact me if you have any questions and let me know if I can help at all. Discussions have been great. I've been making sure that I check those out. And everybody have a fantastic week.